Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm showing you how I make chicken in the air fryer. This is a very quick and easy recipe. I'm cooking 4 chicken Marylands, however in this video, I am cooking these 2 and I will cook the rest off screen. I start by scoring the chicken. I do this by making these cuts on the chicken. This helps the chicken absorb the rub. I add the spices and seasoning and rub it on the chicken. The spices and seasonings for this rub are shown on screen. This rub is enough for 4 chicken Marylands, so I'm reserving this remaining rub for the other 2 pieces. At this point, I add extra virgin olive oil and rub it onto the chicken. I proceed to cook these in the air fryer for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After this time, I turn the chicken and cook it for another 5 minutes at the same temperature. The chicken is now ready. It looks amazing and its aroma is so good. It has a slight crispy finish with a soft and moist interior. It makes the perfect side dish, though it can also be served as a main dish with fried rice, chips or wedges and vegetables or salad on the side. If you're new to this channel or you've been watching without subscribing, please smash the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. This will ensure that you're amongst the first people to be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching until the end and see you all in my next video.